C.S. Lewis said to preach Christianity is to preach the resurrection of Jesus. Welcome to Jerusalem. I'm Jeremiah Johnston, and this is the Bible study, Body of Proof. There are 300 passages in the New Testament that focus on the resurrection of Jesus. The scriptures tell us in 1 Peter chapter 1 that because of the historical fact of Jesus' resurrection, we have a living hope. I'm excited to guide you by the hand through this exciting 4-week series through the epicenter of Christianity. We'll take you to the top spots of Jesus' resurrection appearances and the empty tomb. I'm excited to unlock the truths of the resurrection in your life so you will be able to connect the truth of the resurrection with the hope you and I need today. After all, we worship on Sunday morning because when the women went to the tomb was empty.